morning, Kentucky. See my sweet new Corkcicle R2D2 mug. A little bit disappointed, Corkcicle. Some chips right there, right off the bat. Still does a great job keeping my coffee warm though. It'll be about time to go get some new feed next week. My big brother Clay brought some corn stalks that were once decorations. Thought maybe the cows might want to eat them. And the cows, well, doesn't look like they much get up this that corn. Let's go let these beasts in. Big Whitey does not seem interested in that corn at all. I don't think they're gonna eat it. Well, whatever the case, we will leave it to the cows. Now we shall check on the chickens. Go ahead and get them a fresh water here, get this cleaned out. Ready to go. Go ahead and get a little nutrients in this water for them. I used the drops yesterday, so we'll use the hydro hen today. They need the nutrients. Chicken water.